Good morning. So I just woke up. Kain muna kami and then i-move na namin yung bed. And then after that, i-hang na namin yung clothes. Dito, and then, yeah.
I think we need to talaga.
Yeah, we need to.
I mean,
Kasi, yeah. So last night,
we slept in the living room.
we slept in the living room. And it was like sleeping in an airplane. My white noise na parang yeah. Anyways, we're gonna eat muna. So, see you in a bit. Hello. So, we're done eating. Move na namin yung bed from in here. Ayan. Since, I guess move muna namin yung bed. I mean, yung mga clothes dito. Para ma-move namin yung bed over.
Yeah, para magaan. I think kailangan talaga natin ng dalawang racks. But we'll see. Try muna natin to.
Yeah. We bought this at IKEA yesterday, yung sa video, and then this was only $15. But we're hoping that we can return the other one, so we're only spending $15. Kasi $15 each, so that's $30. Anyway, yeah. Move muna namin yung mga clothes here. Okay?
Good morning! Ay, maingay ba? Good morning, everybody. Wala, andito. Hi! Kumusta? Kumusta kayong lahat? So, konting update sa apartment namin after 1 week after nung nag-flood. Nasa sala pa rin kami ngayon na tutulog. Ayan. So, tinanggal na yung mga fans namin, guys. Wala na yung mga fans. Kinuha na yung mga malalaking fans na nilagay dito sa kwarto namin at saka sa washroom. Pati yung dehumidifier, kinuha na din. Pero, nasa sala pa rin kami natutulog kasi nga, yung mga gamit namin andito pa. And, hindi pa sila makaproceed sa pag-ayos nito. I mean, yung property manager namin, according to him, hindi pa sila makakaproceed na mag-ayos nito kasi inaantay pa yung go signal ng strata. So, apparently, masyadong mahaba pa lang proseso to. Like, face by face pala to. Hindi lang, I mean, nagtanong din kami sa mga ibang mga nakasama namin sa work na naka-experience din ng ganito. And sabi namin, hindi naman kami masyado affected talaga sa flood. Pero, tama nga sila. Tagal-tagal nga. Si Kim nag-juice pala siya. Okay, so anyway, yun yung update ng apartment natin. Konting update lang din sa buhay namin, no? Nung April pala, nagpunta kami ng Seattle. Kasama namin sina Angelo, si Dion, at saka si Pot. Nag-overnight kami doon. And, yung main reason kung bakit kami pumunta doon was nagpunta kami sa Friends Experience. So, kung nanonood kayo ng Friends na series, yung Friends Experience nagpunta sa Seattle. Ano lang yun? Parang, kumbaga, recreation ng set nila, yung props nila, yung, ano pa ba? Basta yung mga ganon. Like, pwede mo ma-explore yung set ng show, yung mga props na ginamit nila. And super fun naman. And, mabilis lang siya. Akala namin matatagalan kami kasi malaki yung parang studio or parang ano na yun, yung parang store or yeah, yung pinuntahan namin, yung location na yun. Akala namin matatagalan kami doon, pero siguro mga 30 minutes to 40 tapos na kami nag-explore. And may mga merch din sila doon. Medyo may mga kamahalan nga lang talaga sila, pero bumili kami ng apron. Teka, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, Central Perk apron. Bumili kami nito. Sina Angela bumili din sila ng ng Hugsy, yung parang stuffed toy na na andun din sa show. But anyways, yes, nag-overnight kami doon and in-explore lang talaga namin yung mga pang-turistang ginagawa doon sa sa Seattle. So nagpunta kami doon sa famous market nila. Punta din kami ng Space Needle. Sa labas lang, hindi kami pumasok. Nagpicture lang talaga kami kasi wala, parang yun lang naman talaga yung gusto ko makita, yung Space Needle. And then, kahit na hindi ako pumasok. Yeah, expensive din daw. Kahit na hindi naman kami pumasok, okay na, you know? Like, ewan ko, parang okay na ako nun. Parang kontento na ako dun. And then, nagpunta kami ng Seafood City. At dahil walang Chowking dito sa Vancouver, kumain kami ng Chowking doon. And then, bumili din kami ng mga snacks sa Red Ribbon. Walang Red Ribbon kasi dito, kaya bumili kami doon ng Red Ribbon. And ano pa ba? Yeah, super chill lang yung lakad namin doon. Wala kami masyadong pinuntahan. Yun lang talaga yung mga pinupuntahan ng mga turista.
How you feeling?
ito na yung green juice na ginawa ni Kim. Yeah, very, very healthy tayo ngayon.
It's a phase.
Kagaya lang ng repair ng bahay namin ngayon, phase.
True, we're in our healthy era. For I don't know how long. Hopefully forever. But anyways, I think that's it. This is kind of long, I think. Yeah.
Update lang talaga siya. Update lang siya for the bahay and yung previous trip namin to Seattle.
True. And hopefully that maayos na yung situation dito sa bahay. Ang latest update ng mga managers is parang iniintay na nila natapusan yung mga insurance things nila and then inspection and then after that investigation na kung ano ba nangyari and who did it, yung mga ganun. Pero we're out of that equation. So ang iniintay na lang namin is the final go for the building to tell our landlord na okay na, ibabalik na namin yung mga gamit, and then apparently that's gonna take like 4 to 8 weeks.
Yeah, kasi i-include nila yung meeting na yun sa kabuuan ng meeting nila for the assessment, for yung quote na gagawin nila I mean for budget na gagamitin nila sa pag-repair ng ng kabuuan ng building, and then about sa insurance pa, ang dami talaga, guys.
Yeah. So if you're renting tapos whether it's a high-rise or like a basement suite or anything like that, if you're renting, I think it's a good idea to get
tenant insurance.
Yeah, tenancy insurance. Kasi yung property insurance ng landlord nyo, it will only cover yung bahay itself. And then, pag may na-damage na mga gamit nyo or if they have to do renovations, tapos kailangan yung umalis for how many days or weeks, kayo magko-cover nun on top of your rent. Unless your landlord is nice and then they will cover the rent. But yun, it's a really good idea to get insurance for that purpose kasi you never know what's gonna happen and you never know when it's gonna happen. Like here, like who would have thought that we would have a flood? Yeah, I think dahil dito sa situation na to, we are renewing our insurance.
Yeah.
We can never take any chances. Kasi yung kapitbahay namin, I don't know if we told you guys, pero ang dami nilang stuff na na-damage.
Yeah.
Tapos, kausap ni Kat this week na sabi nila they have to leave the house for like 2 months.
Yeah.
Kasi gagawin. Because they have a lot of damage. So, yung stay nila sa elsewhere, that's not going to be covered by insurance. They have to pay that on their own. And if they want to stay here, they have to pay the rent still while that's going, because that's how it is.
That's true. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Yun yung update natin sa ngayon.
I think we'll end it here because it's really sunny and we haven't put sunscreen today.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Hopefully, we have more vlogs. I think mga daily vlogs na lang kasi wala naman kaming talagang ganap sa life.
Yeah, may mga lang. Dahil, na-mention ko kasi kanina na dahil umiinit na, so baka may mga gala kami. And of course, dadalhin namin kayo.
Yeah, yung mga gala namin.
Yeah.
Local or international.
Both.
We'll bring you guys because this is also memories for us.
Yeah. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. Please subscribe and please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, see ya.
Bye.